Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Circle Loom is probably one of the most versatile crafting tools you can have in your arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned knitter or just starting out, this tool opens up a world of creative possibilities. From hats and scarves to intricate woven pieces, the Circle Loom simplifies the process, making it accessible and enjoyable for all skill levels. Get ready to explore the endless possibilities and discover why this is a must-have for any crafting enthusiast. Number 5. READAEER Knitting Loom Set Craft Kit. This knitting loom kit is perfect for both beginners and professionals. It includes everything you need to start creating beautiful knitted items. Made of durable ABS plastic, it's lightweight and skin-friendly. The smooth edges and solid pegs make it easy to use and comfortable to work with. The kit includes 4 different sizes of knitting looms, a hook, a yarn needle, and pom-pom makers. It has everything you need to get started. It's super easy and quick to knit scarves, hats, socks, shawls, gloves, and more. This makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to learn how to knit. With this kit, you can create wonderful personalized gifts and keepsakes. It's a great way to show your loved ones how much you care. What we like. This loom set is lightweight and durable, perfect for beginners. It includes multiple sizes, allowing you to create various projects. If you're looking for a user-friendly kit to start your knitting journey, this is the one for you. What people say. I received the Looms set on Thursday and was able to complete 2 hats by Saturday. The set had no plastic bits sticking off and was well made and sturdy. Each loom plastic is one piece, which is always what I look for when searching for a quality loom, as when the pegs are separate pieces eventually they will pop out. These seem to be fully attached. I feel fairly confident they will not break off. Very durable, effective, and great quality. Number 4. ALIMELT Round Knitting Loom Set. This ALIMELT set comes with all pegs inserted, so you can start knitting right away. It's designed for various projects like hats, scarves, and blankets. Get ready to create. The new design includes a sharp crochet hook, making knitting easier and more efficient. This set is perfect for both beginners and experienced knitters. You'll love how simple it is to use. These looms are environmentally friendly, with pegs designed for easy insertion and removal. The buckle design ensures no glue or formaldehyde is used. It's safe and easy to adjust. The new design has twice as many pegs as older models. This allows you to use thicker or thinner yarns. It opens up a world of knitting possibilities. Made with ductile materials, this set is built to last. It's designed to resist aging, ensuring it will be a part of your crafting for years to come. This set is a great investment. What we like. This set features an environmentally friendly design with a unique peg system. It boasts more pegs for intricate patterns and is made with ductile materials for longevity. If you are looking for a loom set that offers flexibility in your projects and is built to last, you should consider this. What people say. The pins are closer together for tighter knit stitches. Comes with 1 long loom and 5 round looms all close together. Comes with hook and needle. Number 3. Boye Round Knitting Loom Set. This is the Boye Round Knitting Loom Set. It includes 4 circular knitting looms. This set is perfect for both beginners and experienced knitters. Inside the package, you'll find looms in 4 different sizes, a loom hook, a yarn needle, and a set of instructions. It even includes a pattern for a basic hat. The looms come in various sizes, from 5.5 to 11.5 inches in diameter. This variety allows you to create items of different sizes and shapes. This loom set is a fun and simple way to knit without the use of needles. It's great for making hats, booties, scarves, and more. With this set, you can perform both circular and flat knitting. Just make sure the pegs are firmly snapped into place before you start your project. What we like. This set includes a pattern for a basic hat, making it great for beginners. It allows both circular and flat knitting, expanding your creative possibilities. If you like a simple and fun way to knit without needles, this is a great choice. What people say. Pegs are the perfect size. You can remove the pegs and change colors, which comes in very handy when doing complicated patterns. Boye brand works the best. There are grooves in the pegs, making it easy to slip your hook under and slide the yarn loops off as you go. The notched curved pegs hold the yarn in place nicely. Number 2. Mira HandCrafts Knitting Loom Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need to start knitting. It comes with 4 knitting looms in different sizes, perfect for various projects. This kit also includes pom-pom makers and other essential tools. Don't worry if you're a beginner, this kit has you covered. It includes a comprehensive, step-by-step guide with photos. The instructions are easy to follow for both the knitting loom and the pom-pom maker. It's easy to use and ideal for beginners. You can create hats, booties, scarves, and much more with this kit. It's a great way to explore your creativity. Looking for a perfect gift? This kit is a great choice for any occasion. It's suitable for Christmas, New Year, Mother's Day, birthdays, or any other special event. Every knitter will love it. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We are committed to providing you with a high-quality product and excellent customer service. We hope you enjoy using it. What we like? This kit is a complete package with everything you need, including pom-pom makers and needles. It comes with full instructions, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for an ideal gift for a crafting enthusiast, they will love it. What people say? I've made tons of hats on these. Easy to learn, takes time. I gotten to where I can make a hat in a couple hours. Hard plastic, so it's easy to work with. Cumple con lo que permite, buena calidad y trae todos los países. Number 1. SELDOURAK Round Knitting Loom Set. This set includes 5 different sizes of circular knitting looms. They range from 3.5 inches to 11.5 inches, offering versatility for various projects. With this, you can create items of different sizes. Made from durable ABS plastic, this knitting loom kit is both lightweight and skin-friendly. It features smooth edges and solid pegs for comfortable use. The material ensures it can be used for a long time. The looms come in 5 bright neon colors, making them visually appealing. The pegs are closely spaced, allowing for intricate knitting patterns. It is easy to use and can be knitted in patterns once you get it. This knitting loom kit is perfect for making scarves, hats, socks, and more. Both beginners and experienced knitters can use it with ease. It is a great tool for anyone interested in knitting. This loom knitting kit is ideal for creating personalized gifts. It's a great choice for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. You can make beautiful items with it. What we like? This set offers 5 different sizes, providing versatility for various projects. It features smooth edges and solid pegs for comfortable use. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to use and allows you to knit quickly, this is the perfect choice. What people say? Having so many sizes in one package lets you work on several projects at once. These looms are well made and easy to use. They are perfect for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.